Welcome guys. If you want to get these lightning edges on your Huawei Y6 2019, you have to go for the Play Store and get the application. But for the first, I'm going to delete this app and I'm going to show you step by step how you can get it. And if you want to get this animated wallpaper, you have to check our other video. It is on our YouTube channel. But right now, let's focus on the lightning edges. So let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool, and we have to type here the lightning edges, or just straight the edges. And after that, you will get this application from the Sony Lightning Studio, and that is the name Edge Lightning Color. So let's click on it, tap install, and now just wait a little bit. Let's click open. And right now we have to create the theme. So click here, name your theme, click OK, create, close the ad, and right now there's all the stuff that we can set up. So at the first, you got here all of the border colors that are right here. You can run the style. I think their liner liner is the best. Sorry for that. And here we can speed up or just slow down, depends on what you want to get. We can also change the border size. I think this one looks really cool. We can change the radius stop from the corners, and I'll leave it with this one, and the same for the bottom. And of course we can also set up the notch. So there's the infinity, U and V, whatever you get on your smartphone. So let's set up the white, just like that. So right now the height and the radius stop. So let's go like that. Okay, let's make it a little bit wider and just change it like that. Okay, right now just click create, tap here, click to enable overlap over the other apps, click yes, tap on the switcher, go back, and as you can see, here we got our lightning edges. We can also try to check if it is working when you open other apps, and yes, it is working on the Google Chrome. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!